up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got a sweet 1965 Chevy Malibu SS up for sale today. This thing is clean. Previous owner had it for 20 plus years. We're gonna do a full walk around. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Guys, we offer financing, credit score of 620 or above. It's usually about 10% down, and we can ship it to your doorstep. If you like classic cars, guys, hit the subscribe button. You subscribe today, you'll see all of our classic cars as we get them in, as we buy them and as we sell them. So hit that subscribe button for me if you like our page and want to follow us. All right, guys, 65 Malibu SS. Car shows very well. I would say it's probably a 5-footer. There's a couple things I'm going to point out on this car. There's no major rot. There's no major mechanical issues. The car is a solid driver. It does have some flaws, which I will go over with you. If you have a good eye, you could probably already spot them. Paint shines nice. It looks good. I parked the car purposely half in the sun and half in the shadow so you can kind of see what the car looks like in both lighting elements. We'll go to the sun side over here, and you can really see it. It shines beautiful. You can see my reflection in it well. I would probably say the paint is maybe a 7.5 out of 10. 7. It's got a good shine to it. I don't see much orange peel in it, but we do have some visible flaws on it. A little bit of yellowing there. It's not too bad on that side. The worst side of the car is going to be here. You got some yellowing starting here. Got a little bit of yellowing starting here. Also, to point out the gaps like this, you got this door gap in here. The trunk gap you got up here a little bit. Those are the major flaws of the car. I want to get that. When I start doing videos, I'm going to start pointing that stuff out first. Within the first few minutes, you kind of have an idea what the car is right off the bat before we do our full walk around. As you can see here, the hood is a little bit higher up. That hinge needs to be done. Internally, inside, I mean, it's immaculate inside. It looks great. It's just a couple flaws that I pointed out on the body that just needs a little TLC. To do this car right, you make those couple of adjustments, and then I would probably just leave it. I wouldn't paint it. I think the paint is good enough the way it is right now, and you can just leave it. So we'll go ahead, we'll start with the driver's side fender. Now, one thing I will say before I get into that, car is originally a 6-cylinder car, non-matching numbers. The VIN number is a true SS, but it's a 1373 car, not a 138. 138 would be a V8 SS. 137 was a 6-cylinder SS. Now in 65, you could order, it was just a trim package, the SS, so you could get a 6-cylinder in the SS, and that's what this car had. The V8 was a 283. The client put a 327 in it, so it's a 327 Malibu True SS. Fender's in good shape. Couple, I don't know, it looks like this will buff right out. It's like a little baby scratch. The vehicle has not been detailed yet. I will get it detailed. Tires brand new. Wheel cap looks good. This is fine, no issues here. This door gap looks nice. It's not off or anything. A little discoloration right here, as you can see. Body lines look good. I don't see any body work on it. A little, again, over here you got that yellowing right there starting. A couple little chips there. The door, definitely I would try to get something done to this because you got this gap here. And honestly, I would adjust this hinge. Get one of those hinge tools, or not the hinge, but the door stopper there, because it feels like it's getting holed up there. It's real heavy there. So that's one of the major flaws. If anything is ugly on that, that's what I would say. Just a little gap there. If you can get that bent or fixed in, that would make the car so much more appealing. Moving on to the rear quarter, a little of that discoloration, and then you have it right above this wheel well, a discoloration. I don't see anything else in it. Now, I'm guessing it previously had body work years ago, or when they did the paint, maybe the clear wasn't prepped, is what somebody told me. The clears get yellow. I'm not really sure. The rest of the car, like, I don't see any mud on the car or anything. I'm guessing that's what this is. But if you feel, I mean, it all feels solid. It doesn't feel like there was body work. And if you look closely, you really don't see sand lines or anything. You see a little divot in the paint there. This tire's good. Rim showing a little wear. Bumper's in good shape. Again, the gap here. And you got a decent gap right here. The rest of the trunk sits good. Roof looks really well. I would definitely say this is a 5-footer, in my opinion. Not even, I'm about 3 feet away, and the car looks absolutely beautiful. If you know what you're looking for, you get up close on it, you can see the flaws. This side, same thing, but it's less. The yellow is a lot less. Little chip here. Again, tires pretty much new. And similar to this door, it's got that gap. So I'm guessing new hinges. Or if you have a body guy, that sometimes they take a tool where they bend it and they shut the door. And they get that door to close real nice. Definitely a nice looking car though. So all 4 tires seem to be good. All the chrome is good. The paint for the most part is good. Just to kind of go over an overall, I would just say the gaps is the biggest issue. Like I said, I don't know if I'd paint it with that little bit of yellowing. If you want to make it a showroom car, then yes, you fix the gaps, the way the hood sits, the way the doors sit, and then paint it. And then you have a really fantastic Malibu SS. Going on the undercarriage. Undercarriage is all solid. Rails are good, floors are all good. This was garage kept. All this down here looks good. That looks good. From what I can tell, it looks real good. Just checking the trunk underneath. Trunk's got a little dent in it here in the tank. The rail looks good there. Looks good. Let's see this side. This side looks equally good. Yeah, it's just the way it's supposed to be. Definitely clean. All the windows look good. Windshield looks good. Dash looks good. No cracking. There's one little flaw there. Oh no, it's not even a flaw. It's from the dirt. So that's all good. This glass looks good. This glass looks good. Interior must have been redone because this looks phenomenal. Inside. It smells good. Sometimes these old cars have an old smell. It doesn't smell like that. It smells fresh. Oof, can't win it. First shot. Let's try second shot. Oh. Must be a different key. Must be this key. Can't win today, guys. Let's try them all. There we go. And they did this trunk right. So, got a cover. All that looks good. They did the trunk real good. It looks beautiful. This trunk is one of the best parts of the car. Interior is beautiful, back seat's beautiful, headliner's beautiful, dash is beautiful. We got 3 different gauges here of water, oil, voltage, radio. Got the RPM there. And we'll check the horn. We're gonna start it up. Also look under the hood. All right, guys, we're gonna start it up. She starts right up. Got a Holly on it. Power steering, looks like a new alternator. Manual brakes. That engine runs great. Sounds peppy for a 327, I'll tell you that. It's showing 5,500 miles, so I'm assuming 105. The gas gauge does work. We did put gas in it. Right now it's showing no oil pressure, but we have oil pressure here, voltage here, and our temperature here. So those are working there to substitute it. Right, it looks like the lights, let's see if the wipers work. Wipers work. Okay, let's check the lights. Lights work. You also got your tag here. Horn does not work. Right turn signal's working. Left turn signal is staying bright, so bulb. Yeah, it's just brightly lit. So right is working, so left's gonna need a bulb or the flasher. Guys, overall solid car. Clean inside, a little TLC to make this car right. I think this is perfect for somebody that wants a 65 Malibu driver, wants a true SS at an affordable cost.